Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need administrator access and a working executable. First, verify the command file actually exists where you expect it. Once confirmed, open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell. This avoids permission surprises. Next, inspect the path environment variable immediately. You want the folder containing the executable listed. If it's missing, prepare the exact folder path for the next step. Make sure to note whether the file has exe, bat, or no extension to avoid name mismatches. Now you modify path and validate. Use setx path, %path%, c, \path to \bin in an elevated shell or open system properties environment variables to add the folder persistently. Once done, close all terminals and reopen a fresh command prompt so changes propagate. Run where command name or get command in PowerShell to find which binary will run. If it fails, run the program by full path to confirm the executable itself works. This isolates path problems from corrupted binaries. Finish by eliminating conflicts and confirming stability. If multiple versions exist, reorder path so the intended folder comes first. Remove obsolete entries. Check Windows file properties for blocked status and ensure antivirus hasn't quarantined the executable. If path looks corrupt, run System File Checker and DISM to repair system settings, and consider creating a clean user profile to test environment problems. If still not recognized, reboot into safe mode or provide the exact error and the output of where /echo %path% for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.